Number 10. The histogram shows the age groups of students at a local dance academy. So a histogram is a type of bar graph where the bars are pressed together and it's showing intervals. So let's take a second and become acquainted with our bar graph or our histogram. Across the x-axis, we have the ages of our students in years. So the youngest students are 15 and the oldest students are 40, at least from what I can see on this graph. And then the frequency is on the y-axis. So this tells me how many of each group there are. So for example, on this 15-year-olds, that goes up to 15. So there are 15 15-year-olds. There are at least, let me rephrase that. There are 15 people between the ages of 15 and 20. So in this age range, in that interval, there are 15 people. In the interval from 20 to 25, there are 25 people. There are 20 people who are 25 to 30 years old. If you look at the 30 to 35 range, there are only 10 in that group. And then we go back up again when we look at the 35 to 40-year-olds, there are 15 in that category. So I can tell you that the 15 to 20-year-old group and the 35 to 40-year-old group are equal. There are the same numbers in that younger group as there are in the older group. So which statement is true about the students? All of the students are above 20 years old. No, because there's this whole section that are 15 to 20. So that is a no. All the students are below 35. No, we have them all the way up to 40 years old. So that is not a true statement. There are 25 students below 30 years. Well, let's draw an imaginary line on the 30 years. How many students are below that imaginary line? Well, we have 25 plus 20 plus 15. So this is not a true statement. There are 60 students below 30 years. Okay, here's the imaginary line for 30. So look to the left of that. Let me draw it with something that I need to be able to write. Here's the 30-year-old line. So let's add up the people below that 30. We have 15, and I'm looking at the frequencies. So we have 15 here, 25, and then 20. So 15, 25, and 20 add up to be 60. So that is a yes. I'm going to erase this big old line because I need to be able to see under it. Most students are of the age group 30 to 35. That's this one. That's not true. That's the smallest age group. So this is a false statement. That means the answer is D as in Delta.